Okay, here are your sentences for the day. Remember, you double click in the box and you can start typing. Okay, so your first sentence for the day is with the word up. Okay, up, remember, is a closed syllable because it has a consonant after the vowel. So let's go ahead and listen to our sentence with the word up. I want to grow up. I want to grow up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you an example here. Grow up. Okay, whoops. Now, you'll notice I started with a capital letter. All sentences start with a capital letter. And I ended with a punctuation mark. In this case, it is a period. Okay? It is a statement which is telling something. It's telling I want to grow up. And here we have our closed syllable, up. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and move on to the second. Remember, double click in the box. And your sentence is with the word flash. I was there in a flash. I was there in a flash. Go ahead and hit pause while you build that sentence. And I will move on to our third and final sentence with the word boat. Boat. Your sentence is, she went on her first boat ride. She went on her first boat ride. When you guys are finished with your sentences, you can go ahead and go to Google Classroom and turn it in.